Hello kids, how are you? Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn numbers 1 to 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, let's learn some colors. These are all our color pencils. Let's learn the names. Violet color, green color, red color, blue color, yellow color, sky blue color, pink color, green color, light pink color, brown color, and orange color. Let's draw numbers. Light pink color 1, ONE 1. Green color 2, TWO 2. Orange color 3, THREE 3. Brown color 4, FOUR 4. Yellow color 5, FIVE 5. Green color 6, SIX 6. Sky blue color 7, SEVEN 7. 8, EIGHT 8. Pink color 9, NINE 9. Red color 10, TEN 10. Violet color 11. Blue color 12. Yellow color 13. Green color 14. Brown color 15. Let's learn numbers.